Welcome to this short introductory video about how to submit damage and metrics data to the Damage Prevention Institute through DIRT. We cover the basics of DIRT and how to register for an account in other videos, so be sure to check those out to help you get started. Also note that this video only covers entering individual reports. Future videos will cover bulk report uploads and submitting data through our API. Once they're available, be sure to check those videos out if you plan to submit large volumes of data every month. The first step in submitting data to DIRT is to log in. Once you're logged in, click Access next to the words Damage Prevention Institute Virtual Private DIRT. After agreeing to the CGA DIRT terms and conditions, you will arrive at the main menu. To begin entering an event report, click Individual Incident/Event Report under the heading Enter Incidents/Events. The report form looks like this. First, be sure that this field, called Original Source of Event Information, accurately represents what your organization does. As you can see, there are many choices. If you're an excavator or contractor, the only choices you should click are excavator or road builder. All of the other choices are not excavator or contractor roles. For example, electric refers to owners or operators of electric utilities. Likewise, natural gas refers to owners or operators of natural gas utilities. That means that even if you are a contractor who installs natural gas infrastructure, you should still complete this form by choosing excavator from the list. It's very important that you choose the right category on this drop-down list so we know the true source of the report. And don't worry, we can always help you fix any mistakes. The rest of the form is straightforward. For thorough guidance on what each field means and how to complete the form, visit the Help and Documentation link at the top of the page and refer to the User's Guide. To enter your monthly metrics data, go to the main menu. You can always get back to this page by clicking Return to Main Menu in the upper right corner. Once you're on the main menu, click Enter Metrics under the heading called Monthly Metrics-DPI. The metrics page looks like this. Pick the year and month you're entering data for in this field. In this field, you can choose whether the metrics data you are entering is draft, and therefore not shared with anyone, or verified. You'll need to mark your entries for the month as verified in order to share the data with your customers or service providers. Under the State/Province field, you will need to add the states you are reporting for. Click this plus symbol to add states to the drop-down list. When you click the plus symbol, you'll get this drop-down list. Add all the states you're reporting metrics for. You only have to choose your states once. The system will remember which states you report for. You can always add more states later if you need to. Once you have added one or more states, you can begin reporting your metrics for those states here. Note that you have to choose which state you're reporting metrics for and then complete the form below for that state. In this example, we have added two states we are reporting metrics for, Virginia and West Virginia. If you want to report metrics for Virginia, you must choose it from the drop-down list. If you want to report metrics for West Virginia, you have to choose West Virginia from the drop-down list. To view data you have already entered, go back to the main menu and click View Previous Entries under the heading Monthly Metrics-DPI. If you need help, email us at dpi@commongroundalliance.com or call 571-500-2085. Our website is at dpi.commongroundalliance.com. Thanks for watching.